Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a credit note in Invent ERP. Let's get started. From the home page, click on Quick Links. Under Accounting, select Invoices. Here, you'll be able to view all the invoices available in your system. Select the invoice you want to refund and create a credit note for. Click on Add Credit Note. You can now start entering your refund details. Add the refund reason and set the refund date. Then click Create Refund. Your credit note will now appear in draft mode. Take a moment to review it, and if everything looks correct, click Confirm. Once the credit note is posted, you can proceed to register payment for the refund amount. Enter the payment details and ensure all information is accurate. Click Register Payment to complete the process. And that's it, your credit note has been successfully created and processed.